revelation.
Government will no longer be big business. It will be service and service and service. Are you still here? So I'm calling on Nigerians all over our country, young people, to begin a conversation that would lead to the transition from this regime, like I said, to an interim government that I call Government of National Reconciliation and Reconstruction. The presidential system of governance has almost destroyed this nation. It is predatory in its preoccupation. It is rapine in its disposition. It has polarized us like never before. We have become enemies. Our society is balkanized, is fractured because of this system of governance. There's fear on our streets. Nobody is safe. But we can change that. And we have the intellectual capacity, the tenacity, the resilience to change it and make Nigeria a great nation and give the world a new concept of democracy. We need to change the system completely. That's how Nigeria will be salvaged. That's how Nigeria will be salvaged. Anything you try to do now will just be going right back to square one. It's a vicious circle. It is destructive. So I appeal to all of the presidential candidates, flag bearers, His Excellency Abubakar Atiku. I know that you are a great man and you have desired to be president in this country. And you have stayed with it doggedly and maintained